Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I understand English, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am. 100%.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues?
I am healthy, ma'am.
Do you have any family members here in Malaysia?
No, ma'am.
Our
Only
interview, this
friends.
is, sorry?
Only friends in Malaysia.
Okay, so you are not making some friends here in Malaysia wants to come to work here in Malaysia, okay? You're coming here to work for your family and for your goals, yeah? So you come here alone and you will go back alone for 2 years also, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Why you wanted to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong or maybe go in Middle East or in any other countries?
I want to work Malaysia because it is one of the safest countries.
Okay, so can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Good day, ma'am. I am Mary Celeste Tenebroso, 24 years old. I live in Sagay City, Negros Occidental, married, but don't have kids.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you. How old are you again?
4 years old, ma'am.
24 years old.
Yes, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
May 31, 2000, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 4'11 and my weight is 45 kilograms.
What is your religion?
I am Roman Catholic, ma'am.
What is your educational background?
I graduated senior high school, ma'am.
Okay, you don't have any children. So, can you tell me about your family?
I have two siblings, ma'am. One, one brother and one sister. I am the eldest.
You are the eldest. Okay, what more?
My mother is also an OFW. She's in Jeddah, and my father is driver.
Okay. Is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
What about your husband? Because you are married already.
He's allowing me, ma'am.
How
This is
old
for
is
our people.
Okay, how old is he and what is his occupation?
My husband is 29 years old, and he is security guard.
Security guard. What made you decide that you wanted to work here as a domestic helper? Why not choose only to stay in the Philippines? Why you wanted to come here?
I want to fulfill my dreams, ma'am. My goal.
Okay, so what is your goals in life then?
I want to build our own house and to buy a lot.
Okay, so in your buy data, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2021 to 2022. Is it a housemaid?
Yes, ma'am.
A nanny? Housemaid nanny?
Housemaid.
In which place in the Philippines?
In Paranaque, ma'am.
Paranaque. This was way back 2021 to 2022. You worked for 1 year, right?
Sorry, ma'am. That's from Negros. Negros Occidental.
Negros Occidental. Okay. So, can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment? What are your primary duties there? And how old are those children that you take care?
I take care of 4-year-old girl and 3-year-old boy. I prepare their their snack, their breakfast, and I do house chores also.
Okay, did you do cooking, laundry and ironing?
Yes, I
Okay, so what happened? Why you decided not to continue working to this employer? We're back 2022 in Negros.
Because they don't need me, ma'am.
Okay, so way back 2023 to 2024, you worked this one in Parañaque, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
You worked there for 1 year, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you share with me also what are those primary duties that you do inside the house?
I cook their breakfast, ma'am, clean their rooms, do the laundry, ironing, and I take care of dogs.
How many dogs you take care?
Two dogs, Siberian Husky and French Bulldog.
Okay, so how many families, how many total family member inside the house?
6 family members, ma'am.
Okay, so why did you leave this your last employer in Parañaque?
They go back to their country, ma'am, and China.
Oh, they are a Chinese family.
Yes.
Okay. So how do you manage and prioritize your daily tasks?
Time management, ma'am.
Okay, so are you willing to learn like some new recipes like Malaysian foods, Chinese foods, Indian foods?
Yes, ma'am, I am willing to learn.
Okay, so you know that being a domestic helper is very tough, most especially that this is your first time working abroad. We're not playing here also, okay? So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Not a baby, ma'am.
Okay, so
Young
you
child.
will children only, right? So because baby you don't have any experience, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
No, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
So are you okay to take care of pets? You are comfortable taking care of pets, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, as I have mentioned, you were going to sign a 2 years contract. It's not 2 days, it's not 2 weeks, it's not 2 months, and definitely it's not 1 year. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home, okay? Breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time with the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Or in usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead, you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. Okay? If you will work on your rest day, of course, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay?
I'm okay with that, ma'am.
We just wanted to make it clear and clarify it in our initial interview because we don't want later to have such a problem once you come to reach here in Malaysia. We don't want to have such a headache, okay? Because
Yes,
you
ma'am.
already agree with our terms and conditions. How will you gonna fight your homesickness later once it strikes you?
I will pray to God, ma'am.
You will pray to God. Do you think you
And
can
for,
handle do you think you can handle your homesickness?
yes, ma'am, I can handle.
What will you do then?
I will call my family and surrender everything to God, ma'am.
Okay, so always remind yourself that you wanted to reach your goals in life. As you have mentioned also earlier. As I have told also, you are coming here not to make some friends or not to play with, but you come here to work so hard for your future and for your goals, okay? So this is not the Philippines. In Philippines, we can do whatever we want, but here in Malaysia, we need to follow the rules and regulations. Yeah? Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside your premises for 2 years and not us. But if you have some concerns, you can also inform us here in the agency, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day.